Yo, man, I just heard that this stock is going to go parabolic, man. It's going up. It's going up.
What does the company do?
I'm going to tell you, man, you got to get in this stock. You got to
What is its future growth?
get in and look at the prices, man. It's going up.
Tell me, what is its annualized growth for the year?
I'm telling you, my Uber driver grandmother told me about this stock, man. Man, I knew the stock market is a scam, man. They always trying to get a brother.
Did you evaluate the stock before you purchased it?
Man, they always trying to take something from us.
What is the technical analysis?
Man, I knew the stock market was a scam, man. I ain't gonna never do this again.
Family and friends, you heard that before? Sounds familiar? Long-term investing is not a scam. The scammers are the uninformed. Do not let hype or fear decide if you purchase or sell stock. Do your own diligence. I love you, and there's nothing you can do about it.
What is short selling? Hello, future investors, on this beautiful day that has been given to us. Cheers, Grandpa Haven, and family and friends. We're going to talk about short selling. Did you know there's actually investors that want the stock market or stock prices to go down? In today's lesson, we're going to clear up some of them cobwebs because it directly affects your portfolio and the stock market. So family and friends, you know I don't like to waste your time. So sit back, grab a cup of tea, and let's dive in today's lesson on what is short selling.
Into a bit of Trump gave it away to a man with too much power. You could call this in your sleep. First they'll smile, be warm, sympathetic on your side, letting you know that they will fight for you. They will lull you into a false sense of security. And then, once your belly is exposed, they will gut you and everyone you know. And they will be swift about it. And by the time you realize you should be fighting back, well, you're already bleeding to death. Whose victory do you think they will fight for? Whose body do you think they will bury? You and I both know that he is not in charge. He is never in charge. Power is in charge. Power is in charge.
All right, hello future angel investors. Welcome back to another lesson on your journey to financial freedom. Now today we're going to talk about something that might sound a little strange at first. There are actually investors in the market who want stock prices to go down, not up, but down. And if you don't understand this, it can make the market feel confusing or even scary, because you might be thinking, wait a minute, if the company is good, why is the stock price falling? Well, today we're going to clear that up, because once you understand this, you'll stop reacting to fear and start moving with confidence. So let's start simple. Who are short sellers and what is short selling? A short seller is an investor who makes money when the stock price goes down. As simple as it is. That's it. Most people are used to the idea of buying low and selling high. However, short sellers do the opposite. They sell high first and then buy low later. Now I know that sounds backwards, but don't worry, we're going to walk through it step by step. So let's break this down the simplest way possible. Imagine this. You borrow a share of a stock from your broker when the price is $100. You immediately sell it and collect $100. Now you wait. If the price drops to $80, you buy that same share back for $80 and return it to the broker. You profit $20. That's short selling. You made money because the price went down. But here's the important part. If the price goes up instead of down, you can actually lose money, and your losses can grow quickly, which is why short selling is considered more advanced. Now let's talk about how short selling affects the market, because this is where everything starts to come together. Stock prices move based on one simple thing: buying and selling. When more people are buying, prices tend to go up. When more people are selling, prices tend to go down. But here's something important to understand. Prices don't just fall because people are selling. They also fall because buyers step back. When investors feel like the price is too high, they don't always sell short. They simply choose not to participate. They wait. When buyers pull back, while sellers, especially short sellers, continue selling borrowed shares into the market, that imbalance creates pressure. And that pressure pushes prices lower until both sides find a price they agree on. Now here's the takeaway. This is normal and healthy and part of the market. It creates balance. Without sellers or even hesitant buyers, prices could rise too fast without being challenged. So when you see a stock pulling back, it's not always bad news. Sometimes it's just the market adjusting, finding the next level of agreement. And for long-term investors like us, that can create opportunity. And that's why I want you to hear this clearly. Just because a stock goes down does not mean you made a bad investment. The market moves up, the market moves down. That's normal. Long-term investors understand this. They don't panic over temporary drops. They stay focused on ownership because remember, we're not here to chase price, we're here to build wealth. And sometimes lower prices simply means opportunity. So now you understand one of the reasons why the stock market moves down or doesn't go in a straight line, why prices go up and down, and why short sellers are part of the process. They're not the enemy, they're just playing a different strategy. And as long-term investors, we stay patient, we stay disciplined, and we stay focused on the bigger picture because we don't work for money, money works for us. Yeah, family and friends, so the next time you see that stock market going down, whatever type of event it is, sit back, look at the stock charts, see if there's opportunity, and make a move. So family and friends, with that said, I love you, and there's nothing you can do about it. I'll see you in the next lesson. Yo, cousin, skip all that stock stuff. I'm gonna go get me some crypto. Man, my cousin Barbara's wife, the salon owner, told me that the crypto is gonna take over this fiat currency. Why this keep happening?
Poor cousin Niva. Unfortunately, he missed out on one of Grantha Haven's most valuable lessons. Trust but verify. If he had taken a moment to look at the charts, he would have seen the factual information. Bitcoin has a history of hitting all-time highs, pulling back double digits, and then consolidating. Future investors, the lesson here is not to tell you what to invest in. That decision is yours alone. Our teaching moment is this: understand what you're investing in and understand market behavior. Sometimes you can be right about the idea, but still pay the wrong price. The research always starts with you. Thanks for checking out our channel. And remember, we love you and there's nothing you can do about it.